I'm gonna show you in this video how you can disable chat history in ChatGPT. So let's jump right into this video. So just let's click on ChatGPT, and now what we have to do is to click on our email and now click on settings, and then here we have data controls. Click on show, and from here you can disable chat history. This will save new chats to your history and allow them to be used to improve chat GDP via model training. So one, it will help ChatGPT, and two, it will help you to revisit, or if you want to read or some of the chats conversations you had with ChatGPT. But if you don't want this, you can simply click on this button and disable, and you won't see here any history, any conversations you had with ChatGPT. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.